lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace pa me wrist. And the eyes for the chain them a drip. My lifestyle rich. Tell them a name.
Left the villa, it's over. There's nothing else to look forward to. It's sad.
Good morning, guys.
It's sad, it's sad, it's sad. Try to look something in. Just find somewhere to eat. So yeah, we're gonna look something to eat now.
Jump out in my first lady, my first lady. About to have my first baby. When I go become a father now, I feel things smart channel. When I think you've done some life up on a different page. Night to night, different stage. Flight to flight, different place. Make you see them real. Different levels bring different views. So back out here, talk me no listen to. When who them a pretend to.
Them a go drop me at OCHI. I'ma go look bus and go to my yard because I never get to go out last season. Okay, so yeah.
Once when I was on the country, can't believe the place transformed. Nobody can keep a fire from around.
Y'all let me give you the best time. You feel be me soldier. Fight for your baby. You know give it up easy. When you love somebody, you know give it up easy. When you love someone, have a dance with me, baby. Take a break from work now. Oh, you tell me how you feel. For once now your life just be real. Can't get when we scream and fall. This time we feel smile all night. I've been thinking about you. I hope so you're thinking of me. You have me addicted like Hennessy. Addicted like weed. Addicted like music. Attracted to me. Addicted like Hennessy.
In OCHI, you guys. We're in OCHI. We're having lunch. You guys say hello. Yeah, a sexy Asha dance. Yeah, you. But try find something for eat.
Is that where the food is?
Yeah. So let's go. This is Mama Marley.
Mama Marley. Mama Marley.
I think I have to go on the other side. I want to look, man. Hello.
Yeah, Jamaica people can't get there.
What? Go over that the gas station, they turn right on the gas station. Then when you make the roundabout, you go underneath the roundabout. Then when you come at the airport, you go over the plane. Then you go in at the little pathole and you stay down there for a little bit. You talk to the rat them, then you come out, then them tell you which path to go.
Intelligent things that we took a plane to come to us.
Yes, we did. We took a little express plane. We take what did Jamaica Caribbean Airlines Express we take come here. Yeah, you.
So with that OCHI.
Burger.
With that OCHI.
I want to eat burger. I feel like foreigner today. I feel like a foreigner today. I never get my burger flavors beach. So I get my burger today.
Oh, another way to look food. Oh, Sharia.
What I'm saying to go?
How are you? Yeah, like.
Yo, like right now, this is
This looks very intelligent. Let's go.
That's what I ask. What you want to eat?
But what you like? You like this one or you like Mama's?
Which one of them nicer? Because more
What you
somewhere
want to eat?
nice.
Yeah, boys on what you want to eat.
Jamaican food.
But it's a Jamaican food where you talk about.
Authentic.
Like corn pork. We're there Niamins. Oh yeah, Niam the bag juice. Bag juice gang. So yeah, eat like a local. Oh, this is actually reggae alley. They must convert it, man.
And Jamaica with that Jamaica currency.
See if you
Dirty heart, bad mind people no want see man step up, yeah. You know much things them do me and me still not have them up. Mr. G, I clean me heart too clean. Clean me heart too clean. Every time me shut the door from bad mind people, me still go let them in.
I miss a Bob Marley. Man, lad.
You get 5 million after that, 2 million after that.
We can fuck if you feel like you want to, and we can do the things where you feel the need to, and we can run the that you need to do it to. Tap down and I'm on the way though. Oh shit, sorry. You know. A lie. Not every wife have a good kitty cat. Hello.
Them the commandment don't go see me. Because me now can't my money go get nobody. I wanted to bring on this one.
Yeah, baby Shadi.
Not my baby.
Where wanna go? Yeah, the car that did it.
We couldn't buy it to all on I buy before.
Can we take a picture?
Yeah, we'll take a picture. I see you guys in Florida or Canada.
Put your phone on the video. No, we don't want to buy to it. Why do I have to go?
I don't want him to go.
I don't know why you left me. Bye, baby. My girl. Me want ball. Me want ball. Me want ball. Me want ball. Me want ball.
Oh my God, Zoe!
Well, want ball. Oh God. Come, we could have our next meet and greet
We
tonight.
have another night together.
Wanna fuck off? Una never did war have no night together. No come up a country.
Too soon.
No come up a country.
Look here. You don't know I said me. But you're going to laugh for real.
TikTok, TikTok,
Bidding, badang, badang, bidding. No come a country. No come a country, man. No come a country.
Go look breadfruit, go look cane, go look after.
Mama and Papa will look them something there for you.
And Shadi promised you say she doesn't spend a night. I did, I swear.
I choose backside. Nothing, baby. Miras, no, 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 couldn't tell me some lash come off. Jesus Christ.
Hi, Zoe Shah.
Bye, baby.
My little shot.
Bye, Kumar. It was nice meeting you.
We do need.
Bye, baby. Safe travels. Me still talk to you because you sit there, but.
Where's him already, Sandy?
Squeeze up the breast.
Yeah, you.
Let me go. Last squeeze. Me want me mother. Me want me mother. Me want me mother. Are you alone now, man, Mate? Are you alone now, man? Bye, guys. Love you guys.
Love y'all. See y'all in Canada.
Right?
Bye.
Some have to
Canada
come in
is
between.
long.
Yeah.
We chat in the day.
Understand?
Up. Yeah, you. Just remember know some can come from Florida. Leave Cool Pennsylvania come from Florida.
Yeah, you.
One week.
Make we know when on a reach up.
Up. I will.
Bye,
Be
guys. Safe journeys.
Bye. Yeah.
I reach up about 5:30.
Oh, God, you guys. That's it. We said bye to Tati yesterday. We said bye to Asha and Sade today. Them soon say bye to me. Come here. Boy, wanna drop me a bus park? brother, you here? You drop me a bus park. Take taxi, go mobile. I mean, I stay with them. Them never carry me out last night. That's sad. So yeah, bye. So sad. I gotta say cheese. Them don't know how to take off the clothes off of the line. Jesus. Lord Jesus.
No man must tell nyam the gun inside.
Una lucky, una go on YouTube, but una not do them things out here. Did I tell you I'm at Patel's house? I'm in a country with Sammy and Sandy. See, yeah. She just a sit down pretty her man yard. Hi, good evening.
Your reincarnation? Yeah?
Come.
When you do it?
When I'm in farm past again.
How your wife them?
Again.
How your wife? You know, you tell me say you have one leave.
Not a wife, not married.
Yeah, no, sir, must say alive. They're closing the door.
Mr. I ask for one socks. Look what me get. Look on the color of my socks. Wanna see it? And look on the brand. Me say people look on the brand. Me no frightened for it, but when jeez, red. Oh shit! Oh God! On the left one this and on the right one this. But that's okay. But I have polo socks. I'm gonna give them back to Patel and I'm gonna give them back to him.
I'm sure make him buy one for my mother, but them not have the sweet one. Them have the one.
Yeah, baguettes, jelly. Okay, don't. Somebody give me one straw.
What's straw in the pan? Straw in the pan, I think. Show them, man.
Son, you're full, you know? Jesus Christ.
Me don't know which one drop it them.
Whole heap of them did they out there.
Pink shirt.
I mean, boy, they're pink shirt. Come and see if it's, they just tell me. But we see clothes and nasty.
Look at the clothes.
The one that line is full of dirt.
Shelly Bailey. Hi.
The people, Craig come now to come beat the boy them for the bombo clant.
But they couldn't put on them clothes there because them did up on the floor.
No, but look on the towel, Sandy. Look on the yellow and white towel. Look on it.
They're putting them out. Let
them bring them back to their mother to wash them back.
I need to bring now
I would be upset too. Backside. You know how hard it is to catch water if you wash? Much less screw. You know how hard it is?
Come on. Mayor said land here. And then Mayor said I have to come. Come on. So then it's a thing.
Yeah, you with their KFC, I know. Me and their KFC. And we say Kentucky Fried Chicken. I don't know. I want bad. I want do everything. I'm just so happy right now. No, son, no bother with them. So. As me said, me eat. I'm tired now. Today was such an amazing day. Yard. As early tomorrow morning, I'll go on boat. I'll run across the street, go catch the boat, go back on my yard. Alright.
Cordial invited to a party tomorrow in Kingston. It's
So much to everyone, honestly, everyone who came out today. Oh my god. Sorry. I make my heart overwhelmed and everything. Like, wanna make hello, hi. Wanna make my heart over bombard. Yeah, you guys. Honestly, my heart overwhelmed. Like, I did not expect this. Thank you guys so much. You guys honestly just made my whole year. The support and everything, like, honestly, so happy. So happy. Thank you guys so much. Honestly, thank you. Thanks. I have no service from my phone last night, so we go respond to everybody now. But welcome to all my new Snap fam. Hey. Yeah, yo. Bad news. After we not make sure snap take over, yeah.
Right there, so make sure over go it snap up, yeah, you were very intelligent. Yeah.
Guys, so we Snapchat, add me on Instagram at Ashlicious, add me on Snapchat at Ashlicious, add me on YouTube.
So we Snapchat, wagwan. Make up on yourself, do your brightest day. Make sure you go follow me on Snapchat.